On Friday, May 6th, UCW presents the fallout of March Madness 13 when UCW presents D-Day 2011. You do not want to miss this epic event, as Jamaican Thunder will take on the undefeated Eddie Vega in a street fight. Plus, all of your favorite UCW wrestlers, such as UCW International Champion Midnight, Captain Canada, Stingray, Ryan Piles, Darren Richardson, Alex Cross, and Reggie Bright will be in action. And in a special thank you to those who protect our freedom, all military personnel will be granted free admission for this special event. D-Day 2011, Friday, May 6th at Calvary Christian Center Gymnasium, right down the street from Walmart in Yuba City. General admission is $4 and ringside is $5. Doors open at 6:30, show starts at 7. Be there. Military identification must be present for free admission. For more information, please call 530-673-6035. Card subject to change.